Hello, hello. I don't know if we're live. Oh, we are. Good. I don't know why it didn't show up on my own YouTube. Weird. Where's my Telegram? All right. Let's get the I got like a million messages right now. Let's get the screen sharing going on. Ooh, look how cool we are. All right, I gotta go and let me see if I could get my sausage is cold. So I gotta get. Can you come up and get my sausage? Sounds dirty, doesn't it? So basically, let's get into the markets. I pretty much sold everything yesterday. So that was good. I made a ton of money yesterday. I think like all the positions had to be like up 400-500%. So let's figure out what's happening this morning besides Baidu. Basically, and I'll give a watch list, but basically everything you should be looking at is China ADRs. That is the hot stuff of the market. China ADRs, Vodafone, and maybe a few others. But we'll get into details. Actually, maybe someone write that in the chat. China ADRs, Baidu, Baba, JD, Vodafone, Palantir, Google. If someone can write that in the chat, that would be nice. If not, no worries. All right, let's see what's moving. Pre-market, crude's up, gold's up, futures doing nothing. China up, Japan up. Check out Nintendo, NTDO. Someone can write that in the chat. And Sony, very bullish charts. Nintendo and Sony to play Japan. Qualcomm has a shareholder meeting. Adobe, we actually saw some Adobe calls. They have an investor day. Box, GLW, MOS, all investor days. So maybe write these names on the list. I don't know if Jeremy or Deanna, if y'all can write these tickers in. Baidu, China ADRs, Vodafone, Palantir, Google. Bonds are trying to catch a bid here. All right, let's see what else we got. They buy Vuzi every day. Duolingo with an upgrade. A Ralph Lauren with a big upgrade at Goldman. Square upgraded. We saw some Square calls yesterday. Downgrades, Boring Pepsi. Coinbase initiated to outperform. All the crypto frauds have been really bad, though. All right, what do we have for earnings? Micron, SIG, Nike, and FedEx, and GIS Foods this week. So not much. Micron will move the chips. That's about it. You do have the NVIDIA conference this week as well. So let's get into some charts, and then we'll go over XXP. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my sausage heated here. I need to get my sausage heated. I'm hungry. All right, let's see what's moving. Probably not much. I mean, the market's not really doing anything. Let's turn on after hours. Then we'll get to the XXP trade. Let's look at Miss Becky. You're down on earnings, a couple bucks. Yeah, it's nothing. Let's get into the real movers. Baidu. If you were with us live yesterday about the Baidu weekly calls, the 103s. So Baidu had some news this morning. I think some AI thing in Baidu. But Baidu, they were just slamming calls like butter yesterday. Look at all these calls. So number one on the watch list, if you're not in Baidu calls yesterday, that should be your kind of number one go-to today. Well, I'll probably sell them, but I'll sell them to you. But the number one thing you should be looking at today is Baidu. Look at all those calls yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orders of Baidu calls from this Friday expiration, next week in April. So Baidu. Baba hit a new 52-week high yesterday. Baba's been a huge winner for us. So Baidu. Don't look at Apple or Microsoft or any of that jazz. Just Baidu. That's your number one go-to is Baidu. Baidu, lots of Baba calls next week, April 4th, or pardon me, 2 weeks, April 4th and some May expiration. Baba did have a big breakout already, though, so you are a little late if you're not in Baba. Just a heads up. Then JD.com. Next week, 45 calls. JD.com, $202,000. So JD.com. Baidu, JD, Baba, China. Keep it simple. China for bulls. Everything else, I sold everything yesterday, so I'm no one to talk because I literally sold just about every position I had. All right, so let's get back into the markets. Then we'll go over XXP. Blah, blah, blah. Where's my Vodafone? Oh, Vodafone, go down. So Vodafone, that trader made a cool million yesterday. I made 50%. So 128,000. Look at that, 57%. I kept a whopping 4 lot. I think I had 70 or 80 yesterday. So those Vodafone calls, if they go back down to 20 to 23 cents, I'm going to buy them again. That trader is up over 4 million in the April 9s. So the Vodafone traders have been very good. So if you get a big dip, maybe the market crashes tomorrow. That's what you want. Vodafone. Baba is down $1, so you get a little dip. JD is up about 20 cents, so no dip there. Palantir, you do get a dip in those calls from yesterday, that $1 million bet. So if you want to get in Palantir, now's your chance. Forming great on the master indicator. Of course, you do have, and I'm not a huge fan of the Fed, but you do have the Fed jazz tomorrow. So you are going to have to be a little cautious. Palantir is the next week, 85. Cool $1 million. If you need the news flow scanner, if you don't have it, or the penny option scanner, stop trading naked and just buy it. Cheap plug. You got JD already? Good job. Should be up nicely this morning. Good work. Trying to go fast here because I have my house cleaner coming. I got to let her in here in a minute. All right, let's go over XXP, shall we? The $1 million trade. Well, it's not a $1 million trade. It's about $250 trade each day. Hello, Stacy. All right, I got the chat. Mark, Jason, Sabrina. The link doesn't lead here? Really? Does the link work? I think it works. I see myself. What's the rest stream? Oh, I don't know. Deanna did it. I don't know what it means. I have no idea. I think it's the Zoom or the streaming platform. All right, let's go over XXP, shall we? Very, very easy to do. So we'll do it 10 times so you can get it down packed. Hannah. Damn it. I need my sausage heated. All right. Let's look at the implied move for today, shall we? Can we get it already? Let me see. All right, there we go. So let's go. The implied move should be 275. Let's see if that makes sense. All right, perfect. So here's what I'm doing and how you can do it too. I haven't finished this indicator yet, but all it is looking at the market maker's implied range. So I'm looking at the market maker's expected move. It's 275 today. So 564.75 to 570 is where they're expecting the market to go. Okay. So about a 0.5% move. Kind of what we are down pre-market. So now I'm just going to go to my options. I'm going to go to the March 18th. That's today. Happy late St. Patty's Day. I did not have one drink yesterday. Can I make the chart bigger? Let me try. Maybe I can move my big head. Let me see if I can actually. Hold on. How about that? Is that bigger? Let's see. Don't worry, we will be on I'm going back to Zoom starting Thursday because I don't like this rest stream. Let me know if this is bigger. Is it bigger now or not? It still looks small. Hold on, let me try changing my settings. Watch this. Does anyone have bad eyes here? Like me? I'll do a very large font. Look how big. Oh my God, look how big that is. I just changed it even bigger. Let me see if it reflects on the screen here. No? I just changed my chart bigger on toss. Oh, it is bigger? Okay, good. Okay, all right. So all I'm going to do, oh yeah, it's bigger, is I'm going to take 275 minus the current share price, which is, where are we at now? 567.5. But does that account for pre-market? Oh, I don't think it does. I don't think it does because we're pre-market. So let me show you on the SPY first. Then we'll do XXP because we don't get data in the thank you. We're not getting real prints yet. And the XSP. Sadly. Well, we could do it easier because these options are already adapted. So we're taking the market maker's implied move and do this right at the open. So the at the money straddle. There we go. Now they're priced. So about $4. So I'm going to take 567 minus $4, 563. Okay. Then I'm going to take the market maker's move. See how it says plus minus right here. These will adapt as soon as the market opens. They're not adapting yet. Then I'm going to take the current price minus 422. If you want to do the math on that, oh, you can't see my calculator thing. Let me see if I can do it now. Oh, you can't see my formulas. Wow. Man, Deanna, we got to get off this restroom. They can't even see my note, my little marker. Wow. Well, that sucks. Maybe if I do entire screen. There we go. There we go. All right, here we go. This should be better. That was weird. Don't worry. Starting Thursday, I'll go back to Zoom. I just can't because there's too many sales webinars that I don't get, that they try to book and I don't get a Zoom. So we just take the current price, $567.5 minus 420. I don't like that font. Then we do the math on that. 563. So then all we want to do is sell the 563 puts. Buy the 562 puts. And we want to try to get anywhere between 20 to 25 cents. So you're gonna look to sell the 563s on the bid, buy the 562s. Try to get anywhere between, really anywhere between 20 to 25 cents when the market opens. Make sense? Let me see if the chat gets it. It's easier once the market opens, but the market isn't open yet. So we got to wait a little bit. It's just a bull put credit spread. Just a bull put credit spread. So you're going to take the current price. If you want to do SPY, you can see we're at 564.5 pre-market. So the implied move is basically 340. So you would just take 564.5, make that big, minus 340, 561.5. So if you want to do SPY, 561.5, buy the 560s, and try to get somewhere between 20 to 25 cents. So pretty easy to do, pretty simple to do. Don't have to do anything crazy, right? So all you're going to do is wait for the market to open. And then take the market maker's move, subtract it to wherever we open up. So if we open up at, where's S&P? 564.84. And I'll give you all this indicator to where it will show the range. And then you're just going to basically sell the 563 puts and then buy the 562s. And try to get 20 to 25 cents. What is the risk? You have about a 75 to 80% chance of being max profitable every single trade. So you're going to look to sell the bull put credit spread. So you're to sell the bull put credit spread. So sell the 563s, buy the 562s, try to get somewhere in that 25-cent range. And then that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Why XXP over SPY? Well, there's a whole boatload of reasons. I'll let the CBOE tell you. How about that? So these are brand new products, but as you can see, there's no assignment of stock. So has anyone ever got assigned stock and then panicked? Since it's an index, there's no stock. You get taxed 60/40, so way better than S&P, SPY, or a regular stock. You get extended hours. There's no kind of stock settlement, and you can do this with, literally $100. So what I'm doing is I'm risking, and I'll do this for you. So you can see they have a whole thing on the website. It's a very, 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 very favorable instrument. So what I'm doing each day, and how you can do it too. Am I live there? Yeah, I could see me live here. Yeah. So what I'm doing each day, it's very, very simple. I'm doing, ooh, it's a big screen. But yeah, Deanna, can we go back to Zoom ASAP? Not this red stream. So all I'm doing is I'm buying, or selling, I should say, 10 contracts each day. So it's selling a vertical bull put credit spread, trying to get 25 cents. I'll show you my risk profile. And you can see I have about a 75% chance of making money and about a 25% chance of losing money. So therefore, if my probability is 75%, right, I want to get 25 bucks per contract. So all I'm doing is risking 10 contracts. So therefore, looking to collect 250 bucks as long as the XXP is above 563, or wherever, we open up. If we go up lower, then it'll be, I'll do the 562s or the 561s within the first 30 minutes of the day. If we go down, I'll just do it right at the market maker's move, and my risk is 750 bucks. So not bad. And I don't have to do anything. They just expire worthless. So I'm just taking the market maker's move, whatever this number is, subtracting it to wherever we open. So which is, what are we opening? 564 and change. So about 3 points lower. 564.40. Or you can look at the market maker's move. So if we open up, let's say at 564.30, subtract that times 3, 288. We'll just use 3. So that would give me about 561.30. So this morning, I will look to sell probably the 561 puts wherever we open up in the market. So let me cancel these because we're too close to 563, right? We're about $1 away. So this morning, it should be the 561 puts sell, buy the 560 puts, and try to get about 20 to 25 cents. If we open up right here at 564.30. Make sense? Very, very easy to do once you get it down packed, and obviously just wait for that market open. Very, very simple. You can't find Schwab XXP. I don't know. This is Schwab right here. So you might have to oh, it might be dollar sign. It's probably dollar sign Schwab or dollar sign XXP. Yeah, you probably have to put in dollar sign ahead of it. Dollar sign XSP. Dollar sign XXP. So put a dollar sign in front of it. Are you also going to sell a call? No. Nope. I don't do any of that fancy stuff. I keep it very, very, very simple. Okay. Trying to do all that fancy stuff, you're just going to get caught with your pants down. Very, very simple. If on Schwab, now I do the same day. Same day. I don't want any overnight risk. So everything's going to be the same day expiration. So March 28th. So March 28th expiration. Do you use Toss Pro? Well, I use Thinkorswim. I don't know what Toss Pro is. Why only 10? I mean, you could do 100 lot, but I usually save all my buying power for, mostly directional calls. So what happens in a directional market? Well, you saw what happened yesterday. It was 100% profit. So it's even better. Yep. And then you'll just do it. So ideally, the perfect case scenario would be this. We go down to about 562 at the open, and then we do this all day, chop around. So you want to do it within the first 30 minutes of the day. Ideally, if we go like this right at the open, if we go down, shoot, this screen share is not capturing that. The screen share is difficult. I gotta go back to the entire screen. Ideally, if it goes down at the open, XXP or the market, it's even better because then you could do further out. You could do like maybe the 561s or the 560s. You can sell. So the ideal situation is we go lower. I'll stick around for like 5 minutes to show y'all once the market opens. Make sense? I'll stick around for a little bit to show y'all. And then I'm getting this res stream off and going back to Zoom. Because it's very difficult to do this with a streaming platform. I don't know, Jeremy or Deanna, are y'all on here? If so, go back to Zoom. Let's go to the window. There we go. Probably sell my. I'll probably hold on to Baidu calls. Why not? I'll probably hold on to some Baidu calls. I feel like gambling a little bit. I feel like gambling. Are you paying for commissions for this trade? My commissions are like 20 cents. So, I mean, I pay maybe 40 cents for commissions, 30 cents. Like, no, I don't pay really much commissions at all. I trade some size. I used to trade like 1,000 lots. So I don't get, my commissions are dirt cheap. So I'll show you how to do it here. Wait for the market to open. Let's sell off a little bit, my love. Negative tick. Look at dope is up today. Dope is up. So let's go to XSP. I love me some dope. And let's wait for these markets to tighten up. So now the implied move is 285. Ooh. So now all you'll do, I like that. 285. That's good. So let's just round to $3. Okay. So 565 minus 3 equals what? 562. So we'll look to sell the 562 puts, buy the 561 puts. If we keep selling off, that will be even better. We could get more bang for our buck. Ooh. Okay. So let's go ahead and price these out, shall we? The more we go down, the better. All right. Under it's MMM right here. MMM on the option chain. I highly suggest everyone looks at the web the version of TOS that's the download. Don't do the web-based version. No offense, but that's usually for, kind of the old people who don't know, download it. Okay. Just download it. It's a lot easier. So we're going to go to the 562s, look to buy the 561s, and we could get about 27 cents. Ooh, that's pretty good. So let's go down a little bit more. Try the 561s, buy the 560s. That's a little bit better. Look at here. This we could get a little bit more. Let's see if we could get filled. We're starting to bounce a little bit. Let's see. I don't think we'll get 20 cents for that. So we got to go up a little bit more. Probably do the 562s, the 561s. Oh, I got to cancel my old one. So we should be able to do the 562, 561. $562, $561. And we could get about 22 cents. So that's what it looks like. 562, 561. And we could get about 22 to 23 cents. 23 cents. Let's go up to 24 cents. So all we do, 562 puts. So you're going to do the sell bull put vertical spread. 562, 561. And you want to get anywhere between 20 to 25 cents. Or if you go where it says vertical, you could do it that way too. 562, 561. You see it's 20 to 27 cents. So there's a couple ways you can do it. I personally, now I got 24 cents, right? Probably get 25 cents. So I personally just like doing 562, hold control, 561. I get 25 cents now. And I personally like doing it that way. Yep, if you want to do the 561, 560, that's fine too. I just didn't get 20 cents at the moment. So I was like, let me do a little bit more. So very, very simple. I would probably do the 561, 560s now. Because now you could get about 30, almost 30 cents. So I would probably do that to be safer. But of course, I just wanted to show y'all how easy it is to do. And just really try to do it within the first 30 minutes. So usually you want to do it within the first 30 minutes of the day. So, for example, ideally the perfect scenario would be the market to go down like it is. So ideally the perfect scenario would be have the market go down, and you see how we're now at the 561s? So you see how it's showing you 561? So ideally, you want to wait, market to go down, and then chop around, sell the 561 puts, buy the 560 puts. So if we sell off in the first 30 minutes, you're going to get more money, which is the ultimate goal, right? So you can make more money. So you're just going to keep pricing those options to where you get 20 to 25 cents. And then you just do that every single day. Yep. I just got 30 cents for the 562s because why? Because we're closer to 562, right, than 561. But the more conservative is like what y'all are doing, 561s, and then buy the 560s. That would be the more conservative play because that's where it's showing you is 561. So yeah, usually just try to do it within the first 30 minutes, and then you're pretty much good to go. You don't have to do anything else. All right, I'm going to close these Baidu calls. Wow, Baidu calls are up 25%. Jeez. Yeah, so ideally you would do 561s, buy the 560s, and there you go. You get 25 cents. Perfect. That's perfect. 25, 26 cents. It's perfect. And just wait for the market, ideally to stabilize for your entry. So wait for the market to kind of go sideways or a slight bounce, and then that's when you want to put your order in. Ideally, that would be the perfect case scenario. Do we put a profit? Nope. You don't have to do anything. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to do anything. You just let them expire at max value. As long as it's over 561, you're good. You are good to go. You don't have to do anything else. So 561, 560, you get 25 cents. Perfect. 28 cents, even better. About 20, you always want to aim for about 20 to 25 cents. That would be kind of your perfect case scenario. Is to get about 25, ideally 20 cents if the market starts to kind of bounce and not do much. Wow, those Palantir calls are down 40%. I might have to buy some. Ooh, give me some Palantir in my life. I'm gonna buy some. Ooh, Palantir calls are down 38%. I will buy some. You don't have to tempt me, Palantir. This is exactly what I wanted from yesterday. All right, gang, I'm going to run. If you have any questions, shoot me an email or anything like that. I think I have a webinar at 10. I don't even know. No, I don't know. When do I have a webinar? Quick flips at 10, and I have a brand new trade I'm about to do here in a minute that I can't show y'all because you got to sign up for it. So, what can we get now for XXP? So now it'll be 560s. So you could probably do the 560s right now. I want to do those. Oh my God, you could do the 560, 559s right now. This is perfect. You could do the 560, 559 for 22 cents. 560, 559 for 22 cents. I'm going to do 10 of these. 560, 559. Mwah. For 23 cents. 23 cents, the 560, 559s. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow, that's some juice because the market's going down. So you can do the 560. I'll post it in Telegram. Oh my God. That's a gift. So you can sell the 560s, the 559 puts. For how much did I get? I'm going to do 10 more of them. 23 cents? 23 cents. Wow. That's a gift from the gods. Woo! That is a gift from the trading gods right there. You could do the 560 puts, sell, buy the 559s for 23 cents. As long as the market doesn't fall basically 35 points, you're good. And you see how we'll start to bounce here? I'm telling you, volatility is a gift. Is a gift. Wow, Goldman Sachs is green. JP Morgan's green? Oh my God, look at Intel go. Oh no, Intel. I wanted to do that. All right, I got to go. I wanted to do those Intel calls from yesterday. Oh my God. Market moves so fast. How do I exit out of this stream? I just posted the trade on Telegram. Sorry, I got like 1,000 things. We're going back to Zoom Thursday. It's on the Telegram. You're going to buy the 559, sell the 560s for 23 cents. All right, I just posted it there. No, it works for every option, just not DTE. You could do any option on it. And just like that, we're up 4%, 9%. Ooh. Very simple. Look at Intel go. All right, we got to send out alerts. Bye, everyone. See you in 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I'm going live again for the quick flips, and we're about to put on a new trade.